Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this informative video, we will guide you through the process of how to turn on and charge your Beat Solo 4. So let's start the tutorial. Here the first thing we have to know how to turn on this Beat Solo 4. So you have to make sure your headphones are not plugged into your USB charging cable. Then you have to press and hold the power button on the left ear cup for a 1 second as you can see in the image. Now for move to charge your Beat Solo 4. To charge a Beat Sulfur, use the USB-C charging cable that comes with the headphone and connect the USB-C end of the cable of the charging port on the headphone. Then after you have to plug the other end of the cable into a power source such as a USB wall adapter or a computer. Then this headphone will start charging and you can check the battery level using the fuel gauge LED on the headphone. So these are some simple steps to turn on and charging your Beat Solo 4. I hope this video is very helpful for this and we will catch you in a next video with further information.